Well, exactly. This is a breaking story from the state of Punjab where the teachers are protesting against the Punjab government. I can show you the protest as well. There are the large number of protesters have gathered outside the school education board, and even their demand is only one, just because they are working on the contract basis since years, and now they are pressing their demand to get the regularization from this year. And in fact, you can see that large number of teachers across the Punjab have gathered outside the school education board building, and now they are demanding to meet the education minister as well today itself. And even the education minister is not available. The protest is so much dramatic that the protesters are not well, but they are so much into their demands, they are not going to leave and vacate this place. Not only on the roads, and in fact they have also climbed on the building also, threatening the Punjab government for the self-immolation, and even they have reached on the top of the building of the education board, asking the government, if the government will not meet their demands, this protest will continue in the similar manner. And you can see the situation is entirely tense. Heavy police force is being deployed outside this education board to maintain the law and order situation. Local administration of Mohali is continuously trying to mellow down the protesters and even try to manage this protest, but they are continuously and very much on their demand to meet the education minister to get the assurance of the regularization. And even they wanted to you can see the visuals that one of the protesters is just on the top of the building and even continuously sending the threats that if the demands will not get met, they have the petrol as well with them. They can put themselves on the fire. So this is the situation currently here in Mohali outside the school education board building, just because they have gathered here. Initially they have gathered in Patiala, that is the home turf of Captain Amrinder Singh, and even several times they wanted to talk to the education minister as well as the government machinery, but now when the things have reached to no conclusion, so now they have sitting outside and raising their demand against the Punjab government to get the regular jobs. They are working since years on the contract basis. We will try to talk to some of the protesters to know their situation. क्या नाम है जी आपका?
बलजीत कौर।
क्या डिमांड क्या है आपकी?
सर साडी डिमांड यही है कि सानू रेगुलर करो। हाँ जी, 15-15 साल हो गए सानू लग्या नू। तो पहला सानू जो स्टार्टिंग ते लगे 1000 रुपए, फिर 2000, फिर 2500 कीता, हुण 5000 रुपए दिंदे पए आ। 5000 विच गुजारा नहीं हुंदा। बच्चे साडे +2 दे विच पढ़न डे आ। हुण अपना बच्चों का सोचना कि असीं अपना सोचना है। ਅਸੀਂ बहुत परेशान है। ਹੁਣ ਅੱਜ ਕੁਝ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਾ, ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਵਾਪਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਾ ਘਰ, ਭਾਵੇਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਦਿਨ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਬੈਠਣਾ ਪਵੇ ਇੱਥੇ। ਹਾਂਜੀ।
So you can clearly listen the demand that they are not going to vacate the protest since their demands will not get met by the Punjab government.